Hello everybody, this is Eddie from Gogo Hanguk. Today I want to show you how to use the Woozoo website. Woozoo is one of the biggest sales company and specializing in Seoul area. And we made a video about this like a guide. However, many parts of the website has been changed, so that's why I'm making this video. And also, I'm afraid still the Woozoo website are in Korean. So that's why I made, on the left side, I made a, PDF, kind of, Korean words that you need to know in order to find what you want, basically. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is the 방 찾기, finding a room. So once you click it, you see all the houses in Seoul. And then right side, there are options with the houses. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. So you can move around as well. Okay. So this is the main 방 찾기, looking for house page. And right side there are three options. 월세, 입주일, room type. So let me go through one by one. So 월세 means a monthly rent fee. And once you click it, there are 보증금 and 월세. 보증금 is deposit. So you can move around this based on your budget for the accommodation. And then let's say if you choose, then 적용하기 means applying. Once you're applying it, you see you have less options with under the the options, less house options. So on the right side, you see what kind of houses, room you might be able to book it. One critical thing for you to see, for you to know for this area is that make sure to have this, make sure to check this. 신청 가능 with the numbers. 신청 가능 with the numbers means in this house, 6 rooms are available, even now. For example, this house, 4 rooms are available, even now. So just make sure you have these numbers, okay? Let's say the other option, for example, 예약 가능 means this house, currently there is no option for you. They cannot tell when the rooms or any rooms in the house will be available. Okay, so just make sure, after searching, just make sure how many rooms that you might be able to book it. Okay, so this is 월세 option. 입주일 is very simple. When do you want to check in? So if I want to check in 23rd of August, 적용하기 means, and you will be able to find 3 options with all of them are available, looks like, right? So with that options, with the 월세 and with the 입주일, the when do you want to check in, based on that you have 3 options. Okay, and the 초기화 means refresh once again. Let's move on to room type. Once you click it, there are several options. Room type is like private room, double room, triple room. So one 2인실, double room is like one room for 2. 3인실, triple room is one room for 3 people. Okay, and this is by gender, female, male, and gender mixed. 주거유형 is like house type, apartment, house, 단독주택 is house, villa, and others, 기타. Of course, the concept of concept of apartment, concept of like villa could be a bit different from your country. So just make sure what they are, what the meaning of the Korean, by searching it. But there are 4 different options. Okay, so 초기화. So based on your needs and your preference, you will be able to search for it. Okay, so this is the basic information from this page. And once again, as I said, the critical thing when after searching it is like this, right? 신청 가능 number. So for example, let's go into this house. Again, all are in Korean, I'm afraid. Okay. And what you need to know from this page is this is the name of the house, and below there are pictures with the house and rooms. And of course there are deposit. Once again, 보증금 is deposit, 월세 is the monthly rent fee. And room H is female. 여성 전용 is female. You know, 여성 female. And then 보증금 is 100만 원. And 월세 is 50만 원. You know what I mean? So these are the pictures of the house of 127. Going down, there are brief information about the house. So what you need to do is that like you just like a copy and paste and could do the like Google Translator or the other like a translation like help. You can just go through it simply, and it will give you like a basic information of the house. Going down, this is the simple location of the house and nearby subway, university, this and that, like a hospital and pharmacy, mart and convenience store, this and that. And what they have in common area in each room. And this is flow chart, and this is the room information. What I mean by that is that name of the room, room A, room C, room D. This red is available. This gray is already booked. Somebody lives there right now, so you cannot book this. But this one you can book it. This room A, C, D, E, F, you can book it even right now. And it has like 보증금, deposit, 월세, rent fee information as well. And this is the houses nearby. Okay, and this is FAQ. Once again, everything is in Korean, but you can ask us as well if we can give you like brief information, like the basic information. But from the website, what you need to know is that I already explained pretty much everything from this page and this each house page. Okay, so let's say you wanna go book this one, just click it, and then you can do the 입주 신청. 입주 신청 is booking, but you need to log in first. Okay, and this is sign up page. All right, I believe that's pretty much for all the information. So while you are checking the website, please check out this basic Korean information. With this, you will be able to see or find what you want. Of course, we can double check it for you. We will help you all the process. So please let us know if you have any other questions. And that's pretty much. Thank you so much.